All right, let's cut to the chase. You're scrolling, maybe you're at work, maybe you're dreaming of a career change, and you've stumbled upon NetSuite Consultant. You're thinking, sounds fancy, sounds lucrative, but what exactly do I need to be one? Is it some mystical, ultra-technical wizardry? Do you need a decade of coding experience? A PhD in business administration? Or is it something more attainable? That's the question we're tackling today. We're going to dissect the role of a NetSuite consultant, break down the essential skills, the knowledge you need, and the path you can take to land this in-demand career. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. NetSuite, for those who might be unfamiliar, is a cloud-based business management suite. It's an ERP system, a CRM, an e-commerce platform, all rolled into one. Think of it as the central nervous system for a business, handling everything from financials and inventory to customer relationships and marketing. Now, businesses don't just magically implement and optimize NetSuite on their own. That's where you, the potential NetSuite consultant, come in. You're the expert, the guide, the problem solver. You're the one who translates business needs into technical solutions within the NetSuite platform. But what does that actually mean? What skills are we talking about? Let's break it down into key areas. 1. NetSuite functional expertise. This is the cornerstone. You need to know NetSuite inside and out. We're not talking about just clicking a few buttons. We're talking about understanding the core modules, financials, CRM, inventory, order management, and more. You need to understand how these modules interact, how they can be configured to meet specific business requirements, and how to troubleshoot issues. This means getting hands-on experience. Play around with a NetSuite demo account. Explore the documentation. Take online courses. Get certified. NetSuite offers a range of certifications, and pursuing them demonstrates your commitment and expertise. Think of it like learning a complex musical instrument. You can't just read the sheet music. You need to practice, experiment, and develop muscle memory. You need to understand the nuances of each note, each chord, each section. 2. Business acumen. Being a NetSuite consultant isn't just about technical skills. It's about understanding business processes. You need to be able to translate business requirements into technical solutions. This means understanding accounting principles, sales processes, supply chain management, and other core business functions. You need to be able to speak the language of business. You need to understand the challenges businesses face and how NetSuite can help them overcome those challenges. This means staying up to date on industry trends. Read business publications, attend industry events, and network with business professionals. You need to be able to see the big picture and understand how NetSuite fits into it. 3. Technical skills. While you don't necessarily need to be a full-fledged developer, a solid understanding of technical concepts is essential. You should be comfortable with data management, understanding how data is structured in NetSuite, how to import and export data, and how to create reports. Customization, knowing how to customize NetSuite forms, fields, and workflows using SuiteScript, SuiteFlow, and other tools. Integration, understanding how to integrate NetSuite with other systems, such as e-commerce platforms and third-party applications. Troubleshooting, being able to diagnose and resolve technical issues. This means being comfortable with technology and being willing to learn new skills. Take online courses on programming, database management, and cloud computing. 4. Communication and interpersonal skills. You'll be working with a variety of stakeholders, from executives to end users. You need to be able to communicate effectively, both verbally and in writing. You need to be able to explain complex technical concepts in a clear and concise manner. You also need to be a good listener. You need to be able to understand the needs of your clients and translate those needs into actionable solutions. This means practicing your communication skills. Present your ideas clearly, write detailed documentation, and actively listen to your clients. 5. Project management skills. Implementing and optimizing NetSuite is a project. You need to be able to manage your time effectively, prioritize tasks, and meet deadlines. You need to be able to work independently and as part of a team. This means learning project management methodologies, such as Agile and Waterfall. Use project management tools to track your progress and manage your tasks. 6. Problem-solving and analytical skills. You'll be faced with a variety of challenges as a NetSuite consultant. You need to be able to think critically, analyze problems, and develop creative solutions. This means being curious and inquisitive. Ask questions, challenge assumptions, and think outside the box. 7. Continuous learning. The world of technology is constantly evolving. NetSuite is constantly releasing new features and updates. You need to be committed to continuous learning. Stay up to date on the latest NetSuite releases, attend training sessions, and participate in online communities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.